Welcome to Tech and Home Chronicles, where smart living meets simple solutions. It's Cleaning Thursdays, the day we look at the tools that make tackling messes a whole lot easier. Today we're checking out the Leebein Electric Spin Scrubber, 2025 model, a cordless, waterproof, and extendable scrubber designed for bathrooms, floors, and more. Let's break down the good and the bad so you can decide if it's worth it. The good starts with its 2-speed motor. You get 300 RPM for everyday cleaning and 400 RPM for deeper scrubbing, powered by a 30-watt motor that stays quiet at under 50 dB. It includes 7 interchangeable brush heads, so you can clean tubs, sinks, floors, grout, corners, and even car interiors with the right tool for the job. The extendable stainless steel handle adjusts from 12 to 50 inches, making it easy to reach high shower walls or low floors without bending or kneeling. And at just about 1 pound, it's lightweight and comfortable to use, even for older adults. It's also IPX7 waterproof, which means you can rinse the brush heads under running water for easy cleaning. Battery life is another strong point. After a quick 3-hour charge, you get up to 90 minutes of runtime, enough for multiple cleaning sessions. On the downside, while it's powerful for home use, it's not built for industrial-level scrubbing of very stubborn buildup. Charging does take a few hours, and the multiple attachments mean more pieces to store and keep track of. So, is it worth it? If you want a lightweight, waterproof, and versatile electric scrubber that makes bathroom and floor cleaning faster and easier, the Leebein Electric Spin Scrubber is an excellent choice. But if you expect it to replace heavy-duty tools for deeply set stains, you may still need a little extra effort. Check the description for the product link and possible deals. And as always, do your own research before buying. Like and subscribe for more quick, honest reviews. We cover a new category every day of the week, right here on Tech and Home Chronicles. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.